Here's something most beginners never realize. 4 completely different garments, a fitted princess seam bodice, a loose kaftan, a wrap top, and structured corset can all come from the exact same pattern block. Same measurements, same foundation, but totally different results. Why? Because every style choice you make, the neckline, the sleeve, the flare, the silhouette instantly changes the fit of your garment, whether you mean to or not. And today I'll show you exactly how style and fit constantly influence each other, and why understanding this relationship is what transforms your patterns from "Hmm, looks okay" into "yes, this fits beautifully." Most people treat style and fit as two separate ideas. Fit feels technical, style feels creative. But in pattern making, the moment you change a style detail, you've changed the overall fit of the garment. And the moment you refine the fit, you've also reshaped the style. So guys, fit and style are not opposites. They are partners. They work together and respond to each other line by line, seam by seam. And once you understand how the two interact, your design choices stop being guesses and start being intentional. Now let's define the two in simple terms. Fit is how the garment conforms to the body, and style is how the garment expresses the shape, silhouette, and design you want to communicate. But here's the key. Every dart transformation, every seam you move, every flare you add, every neckline you lower, every silhouette you choose directly changes the fit of your garments. And in reverse of this, any fit decision you also make will determine which styles are possible for the garments and which ones will fight the body. This is why separating fit and style leads to confusion, and the real power is in understanding the interconnection between the two. Now let's look at 3 style elements that secretly change fits. Number 1, necklines and collars. If you lower the neckline of your garment, that means you've removed support your garment has in that area, which also means your shoulders must compensate for this, or the garment will shift or gape. On the reverse, if you raise the neckline of your garment, you've automatically increased the coverage your garment has in that area. But now you also have to adjust the shoulder line and control any pulling or choking effects that will produce. So guys, even the simplest neckline change directly affects the balance, tension, and stability of your garments. Number 2, sleeves. Sleeves are one of the biggest style to fit changes. With a puff sleeve, you need arm side ease and structural support. With a fitted sleeve, you need precision and accuracy, especially in the sleeve head curve. And with a drop shoulder or kimono sleeves, you will need to change the entire shoulder line and upper body fit. So guys, the sleeve style dictates the armhole, and the armhole dictates the fit. Number 3, silhouettes. If you add flare to your garments, your waist and hip will behave differently from if the garment was fitted. If you tighten the hem of your garments, you need to add slits, or else you won't be able to move confidently. If you transfer or move darts from the original position into a seam, for example, you've automatically shifted where shaping lives on the garment. So guys, every silhouette choice you make is a fit adjustment in disguise. Now let's flip this all the way around. Your fit decisions determine which style choices are possible. A very fitted bodice cannot carry a huge dramatic balloon sleeve unless you change the shoulder structure. Failure to do this will cause your bodice to sag or pull in unintended ways. A loose top cannot hold structured, sharp tailoring unless the fit becomes more controlled. A low back style must account for back tension and support, or the garments will sag or collapse. So structured fit requires structured fabric, and relaxed fit works best with fluid or drippy fabric. Fit sets the boundaries, style fills the space inside them. Here is a mental model professionals use instinctively. Imagine a triangle with 3 points: fit, style, fabric. The center of the triangle is the balance zone, where the garment feels intentional. If your fabric is extremely fluid and drippy, your style lines must soften. If your style is dramatic, your fit needs more structure. And if your fit is sculpted or structured, your fabric and style must support that architecture. So whenever one point becomes extreme, the other two must adjust in line with the extremity. This balance is the secret to garments that look beautifully and sit correctly on the body. And here is the final thing I want you to take away from this video. When you change a garment style, the fit also changes. And when you change the fit, the style also changes. The best designers don't separate these two concepts. They design with both in mind. Every seam, every dart, every line. That's where pattern making becomes sophisticated, intentional, and deeply creative. So if you want to explore style variations confidently, you must start with accurate foundational blocks because they are your reference and baseline for every fit and style decision. You can download my free pattern drafting essentials checklist in the description box below to make sure your foundation is correct. And if you're ready to draft the custom blocks I've been referencing throughout this series, you can join my private pattern drafting course where I'll walk you through every step so you can achieve a perfect fit from the beginning. Tap the link above your screen to learn more about the course. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!